What is up, everybody? Good morning. Let's do our little morning walkthrough today. Let's get up. Let's get after it. Let's make some money today. This little short update, this little short intro video right here. Take a sip of my coffee while this plays, and we can get after it.
Ain't playing no games, yeah. All night we making them trades, yeah. Hold on for the life I'm saying, yeah. Hold on for the life I'm saying, yeah.
All right, guys, it's time to get after it today. There's a lot to get to today, so I'm gonna run through this stuff and see what we can figure out today. But there's a lot going on. Looks like the pre-markets are red today, guys. They've been green for a little while, couple days, but it looks like we are back in the red this morning. So pre-markets aren't looking so great for us this morning, but guess what, guys? Opportunity to buy these stocks, to invest your money in places where you can make money in the long term here, guys. So this is a long game. We're gonna play this long game. We're gonna play this thing out. We're gonna build that wealth not for today, but for the future. So we're gonna play this out. This is a once in a lifetime market opportunity, I believe, and I'll be coming up with a video on my channel here pretty soon about how this is a once in a lifetime opportunity for a lot of us to get in the stock market, get in the crypto market, and build some wealth. So, we're starting out in the red, but we're not scared of the red, guys. But pre-markets are red today. Looks like the fear and greed index for stocks is at a fear level. It's at 30. At 25 today, guys, which is fear. So there's fear in the market, and when there's fear in the market, that's when we jump in, guys. So we got fear back in the market today for the stock market. Crypto market, guys, we'll run through this. We got a market cap sitting around 9 billion, 500, about 959, somewhere in there, 595, 596, somewhere in there. So market cap still down, seems to be hovering around that 9.5 billion. 900 billion, 9.5 billion, somewhere in there. So we keep hovering around there. Bitcoin is holding up strong. It's at 20,100. It's up on the 24-hour a little bit, about 0.4%. Ethereum holding strong too. It's right around that 1,344 level. So we've been hovering around this 1,300 level and 1,299 level. So for a little while, we've been trading inside that channel. And Bitcoin's been trading in between this 19,700 and 20,000 channel for a couple weeks now. So, they seem to be holding up strong in this market. BNB, guys, the most stable of them all, I believe, is right there at $292, I would say. It's up about 0.4% over the last 24 hours. So, it's hasn't quite touched $300 in a little while, but it looks like it might be on its way there. If the market holds up today, we'll see. XRP, guys, it's at 48 cents. It seems to be running up a little bit. It's up 2.3% over the last 24 hours. This thing's been trading in between the 45 cent and 50 cent level for a couple weeks since we got some positive news from the case with the SEC. So pretty strong there. Dogecoin, guys, it's up 6% today because we know we'll get to a little bit later. Elon is going to put in a bid for Twitter. We're going to finally bring that thing to an end. And obviously, Elon's a big Dogecoin supporter. And the thought behind that is that Dogecoin will somehow be integrated into Twitter. So, that's up 6% today. Polygon Matic, guys. This thing's been on just a slight run over the last couple days. It's up to 82 cents. It's down 0.2% over the 24-hour, but this thing's been running up. It's been trading between that 75-cent level and this in the 80-cent level, and it finally broke out of the 80-cent level over the past day or two. So not too bad. Not too bad. The crypto market seems to be holding up well. I want to just because we don't usually talk about it here, but we'll have a look at it today. Bear Classic sitting at 303,021. This is something I did throw some money at and invested in a little bit. So looks like it's down a little bit over the day here. So it's down a little bit today, but we got to expect this thing's highly volatile, guys. It's going to go up, it's going to go down until it settles in. But it looks like it's down a little bit today, and looks like it's on a downward trend. So, but Luna Classic is one of them things. It's highly volatile. So only put money in there if it's money that you can sit on for a little while. Crypto market bubbles. See a mixture of some red and some green over the last day here. So go ahead and refresh, see if anything changed. I don't think it did because we just looked at the charts. Little mixture. You can see them floating around, a little red, a little green. So we're kind of in that holding pattern still. So it all seems to be coming together and playing itself out. Everything seems to match. Nothing outstanding. The crypto fear and greed index, guys, we're sitting right around 25, which is extreme fear. And again, when the market's in fear or extreme fear, that's when it's time to go ahead and look at probably making some moves here, guys, because that means that the market is ripe for buying, and that's what we're doing. We're looking for that long-term wealth. So looks like we're in extreme fear today. Go over a little bit of our meme coins, guys, like we do every morning. See where things are. Go ahead and refresh this and get the most updated prices here. I don't want to work off anything old. MetaMonkey AI, guys. This is the project that we talk about every morning. You guys know I'm high on this project. Sitting at 302915. They lifted their 8% tax for buys and sells that they had on, so it went back to the original token taxes at 10%. There still is that 8% transfer tax on there, but we knew that there was going to be a sell-off once they lifted that tax. People were kind of waiting for that, and that's exactly what we got. But we predicted that. I predicted that, said that it was going to come. But it's a great buying opportunity for anybody who wants to get into MetaMonkey AI or wants to accumulate more. They did come out with their NFT not recommendations, but they came out with their NFT guidelines. There's a video about that on my channel. I put it up yesterday. So if you're interested in MetaMonkey AI's NFTs, go ahead and check that video out. It'll tell you what you need to have and do to qualify for one of them. So pretty cool though, because they're gonna share some profits with the NFT holders. So it's a nice benefit, nice utility. So we're happy about that structure. And I think it's a structure that's gonna hold up long term. Go ahead and take a look at one of the other things that we really love here on this channel and that we talk about a lot. Core Combat. Core Combat is doing good. They're at 10.06450. their betting platform gets released today, guys. So pay attention to that, and I'll probably do a little update at some point today or tomorrow, and have a walkthrough of what that betting platform looks like. So we do like that utility, and it looks like it's down 2% over the 24-hour and down about 2% over the week. So it just seems to be hovering and holding up right around this price level here. So this is definitely an accumulation right now. We want Volt on the ETH side right there. So we got Volt on the Ethereum side, guys. Another token I'm invested in. Really love this token. Really love where it's going. People. So you look at it. It's sitting at 6 zeros, 6336. Another good buying opportunity. Looks like it's down 1.8% over the 24-hour and about 9% over the week. Volt just keeps doing Volt shit. I don't know what else to say. They just keep getting listed on exchanges. They're coming out with their own multi-chain exchange. Their community is about as strong as you could possibly be. So Volt's ready for a takeoff here pretty soon. And when that market turns around a little bit, Volt will be on the move, and I'm not worried about Volt at all. Bone, guys, we are waiting on that Shibarium blockchain to drop. Bone is taking a little bit of a hit over the past couple of days, just because people get impatient, and that's okay because at $1.13, this is a great buying opportunity for Bone. I did add to my Bone back yesterday when it got to be around $1.08. So I'm up on that investment, but $1.13 is still a great buying opportunity for Bone. This thing was almost up to $2 a couple weeks ago. So this is just a matter of people being impatient, waiting for the blockchain to come out. But Bone will be the gas for the Shibarium blockchain, and Shiba has a game coming out, I believe today. We'll see how that plays out. But once the Shibarium blockchain drops, which they said game, then Shibarium blockchain, so we're getting close. Bone's one of these tokens that are going to it's going to take off. There's no doubt about that. It's the gas. It'll take off. These are the tokens you guys want to own, guys. These are the tokens that are going to make you some money, is the ones that are actually the gas for the blockchain. So getting into some news here today, guys. Elon proposes to buy Twitter for $54.20 a share for all shareholders. This deal looks like it's going to go through. This deal looks like it's on its way to going through and making some money. So, Elon for taking this over, and I do believe that Dogecoin will play a role in something that Twitter has going on at some point. It's just a matter of what. Elon looks like this deal is going to go through. Looks like he's going to pay out the shareholders $54.20 if this deal goes through, and that's higher than where the stock is right now. So, we'll make some money once he does that buyout, and he's not going to keep Twitter public. He's going to make it a private company, so it probably will come off the stock exchange. Polygon integrates with shopping.io to allow holders to shop with Matic. We talk about Matic Polygon every day. This is just another benefit and utility that they're adding to their ecosystem in ways that they're expanding out, guys. This is good news for Polygon. Matic brings more exposure to them. But they're still working with Disney. They're still working with a lot of other companies to integrate their blockchain into the things that they're doing, along with facial recognition or recognition and authentication stuff that is revolutionizing the blockchain and things like that. So Polygon Matic is a layer 2 blockchain, and we love our blockchains here, and they are probably the best layer 2 blockchain in the market right now, in my opinion. And they just continue to add things and integrate new things into their ecosystem. And like we talked about earlier, Polygon has been on a little tiny run over the past week. So these are the reasons why they continue to build in this bear market, guys. Binance US will list Sandbox. So a lot of people didn't realize that Sandbox was not listed on Binance US. It's listed on Binance, but not Binance US. And you got to understand them are two separate exchanges. And, Sandbox is going to be listed on Binance US. And we know that when it's not financial advice, but when tokens get listed on Binance, there's a pump to them. Sandbox, congratulations. They're going to roll out on Binance.us, which is a big deal because we know that Binance is the number one centralized exchange in the world. So when you get listed on Binance or Binance US, that you're exposed to a large number of people. So congratulations to Sandbox. See what the Binance effect is on the Sandbox price today, or when they get listed. And I think you'll see a little pump there. Last bit of news we have for you guys today is some news that we know we've been talking about for a little while, about where the United States is and in their economy and what's going on. And the U.S. national debt surpasses 31 trillion for the first time ever. So just think about that right now, that the United States government right now is in a $31 trillion debt for the first time ever, guys. So when you start to think about these things, you start to understand why we kind of are where we are. And why we kind of talk about the things that we have to talk about here, and why you see a lot of these red days. How long can this last? I don't know. But we're going to ride this thing out. We're going to take advantage of what's going on. We're going to take advantage of the situation. We're going to dollar cost average into our favorite tokens. We're going to get in that stock market. We're going to try to get some of this money that everybody else gets. We're going to pick good, solid stocks. We're going to pick good, solid cryptos. We're going to buy them up when everybody else is scared and everybody else is selling off. We're going to be right there buying them up, and that's what we're going to do. And I encourage you guys to do the same thing. That's what we talk about here on this channel. That's what we want. That's the direction that we're trying to go here. We're trying to build that long-term wealth. So with that, guys, that's my morning. Just try to bring you guys a little bit of news in the morning and let you guys know where things are at, so you guys can set up your straight trading strategies for the day, and give you guys some good positive news every day. And that's kind of where we're at today, though. And look, these red markets, this is where you guys solidify your positions in whatever you're in. So, don't invest any money that you have to pay bills with or anything like that. But invest what you can for the long term. This is how we build that wealth. And that's what we're after, is building that generational wealth. That's what we're all trying to do. That's the mission for everybody. That's a mission for me. And, we're all in this game together. But I believe that this market's going to give us a once in a generational opportunity for the transfer of wealth, both in the stock market and the crypto market. And that's what we're going to start talking a little bit about more and more on this channel. That's going to be kind of the the mission of my video sometimes is how we're going to build that generational wealth, and also paying attention to what's going on around us and making sure that we're aware of what's coming at us from a federal government regulation standpoint. And we're going to try to do the best we can in these markets. We are in a recession. They don't want to call it a recession, but we're in a recession. And a recession breeds opportunity. We don't run away from it. We run towards it, and we're going to do what we can, and going to try to make the best that we can. And with that, everybody have a great day. I appreciate you guys, and I appreciate your time. Appreciate you guys spending your morning with me. And with that, guys, I'm out. Have a great morning.